Hey guys, so today is packing day because
we're going to the Bahamas.
Yeah, buddy. We are gonna do a little mini-sode on here. We're gonna video each day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days down there, but we don't have internet while we're there. So we're gonna leave you in suspense. Let's pack.
Wait, and by the way, it is a cruise. We are going to the Bahamas on a cruise.
T-minus 24 hours until we leave on the cruise. Our last minute grilling time, or I guess the last time we smoke.
Yeah, smoking some chicken.
Till we go. We're doing chicken wings. What are we doing?
Chicken thighs, bone in.
Chicken thighs, and I actually like the bone in better, but they didn't have it. They haven't had it in the two of the stores that we've been to, so now we're just doing boneless. Might be a southern thing, I don't know.
I don't know.
Who knows? But Finley's chowing down.
This is the first time she's ever tried graham crackers.
She definitely loves it.
So we have 10 onesies, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirt/dresses. So that's 16 outfits. It's only 5 days. So how many of each, or how many outfits total should we have if it's for 5
Probably
days?
like 6 or 7.
Okay.
What do you think, Finley? Are you ready?
This one, the Aloha Mama, or Cool Like My Mom?
I would say probably this one.
Okay.
Finley's helping.
And then this one is like a shirt. It's a shirt, but it's long enough to be a dress. Do you like that, or would you rather have like more of the tropical-y one?
Tropical.
Okay.
Okay, do you think we have enough?
I think we have enough.
Okay, so let's see what we got. We have that gigantic pile fitting in 1 suitcase, 2, 3, probably in a carry-on, plus her diaper bag. I feel like we'll be alright.
So the first thing that we're gonna bring is one of these. I'm sorry.
Click, click, click.
Okay. The first thing we're gonna bring is one of these. There is supposedly only 1, maybe 2 outlets in the bedroom, so we are bringing this just in case. It does not have a surge protector. That is key, so you can charge multiple devices. The second thing we're gonna bring are these walkie-talkies. We are not able to use our baby monitor on the ship. We don't have a really wide range on it with the video, so we are going to use these makeshift, kind of just tape it so we can hear her when she's napping. The third thing we're going to bring is 2 bottles of wine. You can bring a bottle of wine per person. It has to be 750 milliliters. So we did get 2 of these. It is 15.9%. We figured that would be the best bang for our buck. Unfortunately, Finley doesn't count as a person. So we're only bringing 2. You can edit that out. The third thing is a trash bag. This is just good to have if you want to put your dirty clothes in it. If you have wet clothes on the last day because you're in the pool or the ocean or anything like that, you can put that in there and it won't get the rest of your stuff dirty or wet. Last and the most important is disinfecting wipes. This is key. Even though they clean the rooms, we're not really 100% sure what other germs are going on in there. So we are going to bring these, especially because we don't want to get the coronavirus. And then also some hand sanitizers as well. For all of you guys that follow us, you know that we do have a dog, Bella, our little miniature schnauzer. So what are we doing with her for the cruise? So we are very lucky and fortunate to have friends that are down in Jacksonville where we are leaving for the cruise. So thank you to the cruises.
That was good.
Okay, yeah. So Brandee, Cody, thank you so much for watching Bella while we're gone. Their YouTube channel is phenomenal. We'll link them down below. Go check them out.
Okay guys, that is it for us. You will see us in 1 week after our cruise. We will catch you up on what we did.
All right, bye guys.
See ya.